Hazrat Saeed bin Jubair reports that he was along with Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu, and he narrated the hadith to me, saying that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam was Allah's apostle who met Hazrat Khizr. Then he narrated this discussion. He said, did I not tell you that you would not be able to stay with me? First time he objected forgetfully, second time as a condition, and third time he objected intentionally. He said, catch me not for what I forgot, and put not difficulty in my affair on me. Then both of them met a boy whom he, Hazrat Khizr, killed. Then both proceeded till they found a wall about to fall. He set it upright. In Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu recitation, there is Amamahum Malik. Before them there was a king instead of Wara'ahum Malik. Behind them there was a king. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2728.